Sunshines, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mel Ray coming at you with another video. So as of lately, I've been really inspired with the fact that spring is coming, guys. I'm so freaking excited. Lord knows I do not like the cold, so springtime better hurry up because I'm ready for it. And so that being said, I've been wanting to explore more, spring colors in my makeup, and I feel like I am so attached to the natural colors. Like I notice all of my palettes are mostly like neutrals, like raspberry colors and oranges and nudes and stuff like that, and browns and just basic colors. Not that I'm not willing to be versatile, but I'm ready to be more versatile and rock out some green eyeshadow, blue eyeliner, purple mascara. I'm willing to do all that, and I'm kind of in the mood to be colorful, so why not start now? And today I got inspired by just the color orange. I don't know, I've been feeling orange as of lately. It's been my thing. Even my mascara is orange, okay? So I decided to try a video using a bright colored eyeshadow and just have fun with it and play with it. And I also wanted to introduce to you guys my new wig. Look at this. This is my vacation wig. I put up on my Instagram page me trying on a couple of wigs. I was trying to find a good vacation wig that it can look like, I'm on vacation and it's curly. I don't gotta worry about doing it or flattening it if it's straight, yada yada. So I found this one and she's lovely, isn't she? She's so rad. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Screenshot this. Yes. I haven't gave her a name yet, so if you have any suggestions on what, she looks like, let me know in the comments below. So far, what I have in mind, maybe like a Sin, like Cynthia, and Sin for short. It's kind of exotic. I kind of like that one, but let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions on a name for my new wig. But other than that, before I start chatting, as if I wasn't chatting already, if you guys want to see how I did this Aren't You Happy to See Me makeup look, I made that on myself. Y'all like that, right? Y'all like that? Then keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Danny on the track, boys. Danny